Hello everyone, my name is Katya and thank you so much for watching me. Today I'm gonna to speak about how to make your smile more beautiful. So this is our today product, is our wonderful strips for teeth. I already tried some of the company of Onuge and I can tell you that I am amazed by the result. Especially I already tried residue-free and dry strips. The result was awesome. So that's why today I want to try on this. It's wet strips, so they're very special and I think that you also are going to be very curious. So let me open it. That's what you get from inside. We have inside 28 strips. Each of them are packed in individual package, and what I like that it's easy to take it with you. So this one, it's very convenient. Also, we have instruction, so no need to worry that you don't know how to use them. And we have this shade of guide, so here you can check which color are your teeth and which one you wish to achieve. So these strips, they are wet and they're looking like this. Let me open it. Here they are. So here we have for the upper teeth, the bigger one, and the smaller one, it's for lower teeth. You need to put them on your teeth, but just be sure that your teeth are as dry as it is possible. Also, it's not recommended to drink water or to rinse them because you don't want to spread your saliva everywhere. And please avoid talking. Now I'm going to try them, and after from 30 to 60 minutes, we are going to see the result. So let's try them together. Here I am, 30 minutes passed, and now let's check the result. What I like, it's amazing flavor. And my teeth, they're getting more white. It can stay a little bit of gel, but it can be easily rinsed off with the water. And what I like that before this, I already was trying another wet strips and I had the gel and viscosity which were really driving me crazy. But here, there's nothing like this at all. You see? It's staying very beautiful and at the same time I don't have any unpleasant feeling. I'm sure you are going to try it and to love it. Just don't forget to use it continuously, at least for 14 days. So here it will be exactly enough for you, and me, I really amazed by the result. Even from the first usage, I feel how bright are my teeth.